German-style potato salad with Vienna Schnitzel. Hi there foodies, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe to be notified of future videos. Welcome to the channel. My name is Nadine from Nosh, and today I would like to show you how you can make an awesome potato salad, and that goes well with Vienna Schnitzel. For 4 people you will need 4 potatoes, 2 eggs, 6 to 8 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 50 milliliters of chicken stock, salt and pepper, and some spring onions for some extra taste. First we have to boil our potatoes, and for this you do not peel them, you're gonna leave them whole as they are and cook them with some salt water. Once they're soft, we're gonna carry on. Okay, my water is boiling, so we're gonna put our eggs into the boiling water and we're gonna cook it 5 to 6 minutes. We're gonna make our stock. So I have here a homemade stock paste, so I'm just using a teaspoon with a bit of water and bring this to the boil. Let's check. Yes, nice and soft. Best is place your potato over a colander so they can steam out. Time for my eggs is finished and I'm moving them into cold water. Let's get our egg mixture ready. Roll it, that's always the easiest. And it comes off very easy. A little bit of German mustard, it just gives it this extra nicely. Mayonnaise, pepper, salt, some of your spring onion, keep some for the rest, and mix up nicely. And now we do the potatoes. Peel them while they're still hot. Woo-ha. Very hot. If they are hot for you, use a fork, poke your potatoes, and then you don't burn your fingers. Next, we're going to take our warm stock and we're pouring this our warm potato. It's very important both is warm. So like this, all the flavors of the stock will go into your potatoes and it will be a much more tasty full, and you're gonna need much less mayonnaise than you would normally use. And you can see the potatoes have absorbed all the liquid, and then we're gonna add our mayonnaise egg mixture. You want to keep this a little bit more on the runny side because the potatoes will still absorb and it will become a really nice potato salad. Just let it stand for an hour before you serve it. But I'm gonna taste now to make sure I have enough salt in here and pepper. I don't add anything, I just love it as it is. I wish you could taste that now, but I'm sure you're gonna make it and try it out. Let's serve this awesome potato salad. A little bit of love on top with my amazing Vienna Schnitzel. And Schnitzel, that's why I put this lemon here, it goes amazing with lemon juice, so just a squeeze over. And bon appetit. Thank you so much for watching this video, I very much appreciate it. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. If there's a dish you would like me to make, please leave me a message in the comments. Remember, as long as you cook from the heart, your food will always be delicious.